Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your existing account on the Spriggy Schools application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Spriggy Schools app on your device. And once you open it up, you will see the join as well as the sign in button. To log into your existing account, tap on the sign in button and you will be asked to enter your credentials. Just type in the email address that you have used while signing up for your account within the email address section, and then enter your account password underneath within the password box. You can then tap on the login button and you will be logged into your Spriggy Schools account right away. In case you have forgotten your password, you can click on the forgot password button and you will be allowed to reset your credentials using your phone number or your email address. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your existing account on the Spriggy Schools application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.